Don't get too close kasi papakain natin, papatry natin sa kanila.
This is our yummy pepperoni pizza.
Cheese pizza.
I forgot. Our favorite cheese pizza.
Made by?
Yeah, even mommy.
With? What did we made with?
What?
What's this? What's this?
With bread, even with
Sauce?
with this, even with sauce.
Okay. Ipot mo, cover the whole bread. Oh, not the outside of the bread. Anak na. Parang tayo yata yan ah. Daming sauce niya na. It's okay. You tak-tak it. You tak-tak. Ano tak-tak? Ganun. Ubus na kagad sauce natin. Let's do this oh. I'll show you. Oh, you do this oh. Tak-tak. Ba't kinihingal ka? Naglalagay ka ng sauce. Dali, next.
I'll do this.
No, hindi na. Ito lang ikaw. Say, oh. Finish mo na yung sauce. I will leave this one, these two with you, and you put cheese. Dali. Dali yan mo. Make it beautiful so that they will like our pizza.
Yeah, even Nana, even Mommy. I know I mean Mama too.
Okay. Huwag mo di na, galit na galit ka na naman.
Not finish yet.
Dali. Put the one that doesn't have a sauce. Gentle. Too close. Can I do it now? Oh, you put the cheese na sa other bread. Not too much ah. Gentle. Nanggigigil ka na naman. Kita ko na naman. Ang dami mo naman maglagay ng cheese, Brad. Ubus na tayo. Lugi na. Sa'yo ata yan. Hindi ka naman nakain ng pizza, Mickey. Tama na.
O, done na.
Yeah.
Tama na.